Hello, welcome all you lovely people. This is a Zontes 350T. It will come in two colour options in China at the moment. The striking orange and black you can see now, and also the full black version. It has an adventure bike traditional C type of 830mm, so still quite tall, but that's what they're like on an adventure bike. The fuel capacity on the bike is 19 litres, quite a lot that. The engine is 348cc, which is 29 kilowatts, or equates to 39 brake horsepower. It could have been 45 horsepower, the engine's designed for that, but they've toned it down with the ECU because they had a slight vibration, so you know the engine's nice and relaxed at 39 brake horsepower. Range 90 miles per gallon, or 3.2 litres per 100 kilometres. The bike should be going through Euro certification shortly, so it should be coming to Europe and beyond in a few months' time. As usual, this bike has all the toys that Zontes offers as standard on their motorbike. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on all the latest Zontes news. Thank you for watching. This is Mad Mick.